We're gonna go over a core progression that is good for starting out with core exercise and getting your core back postpartum. Initially, you're gonna start by just laying down and trying to contract your core. You're going to do this with the breath initially because it helps you find the contraction, but you always want to be able to do it without the breath as you progress. Take a big breath in, fill the bottom of your lungs. As you exhale, feel your belly button pull into your spine. Think of having a belt around your hips that's tightening and pulling them closer together. You're going to do this about 5 to 10 times, really just starting to feel your breath. Once you get good at it, you want to be able to contract it without the breath. From there, you're going to progress to knee fallouts. Maintaining your hips being level and keeping your hands on them at all times to feel any wiggling that should happen. You're going to let one knee fall out to the side and then bring it back in. If you feel your hips are swaying side to side, one thing you can do is try to press that hip up into your hand as you let your knee fall out to really keep it stable. The next progression from here is going to be lifting your heels up. Again, one at a time, keeping those hips level as you lift. With all of these movement exercises with your legs, your knee angle should remain the same. You shouldn't bring your heel any closer to you as you do them. From here, you're gonna progress to marching. This is even harder to keep those hips stable. You can start thinking about trying to keep your tailbone level on the ground and not letting it flop over the place. Still trying to think about that belt around your hips, pulling them close together. From here, you're going to do tap down. So your feet will start up in the air and you're gonna lower down and back up. Again, moving from the hip, not from the knee. We're letting our brain know that our legs can move independently of our pelvis and the core. The straighter your leg is during this exercise, the more difficult it becomes.